again, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of Focus Vandalia. My name is Rich Hopkins. I'm the communications manager for the city. And today we are coming to you from the Vandalia Municipal Building, specifically right in front of the tax office. Things are fairly quiet now, but in less than a month's time, this place is going to be very busy. The deadline for filing your federal, state, and city income taxes is April the 15th, which means you've got just about a month to go before they're due. Vandalia Finance Director Bridget Leiter says you have a number of options available when it comes to filing your taxes.
You come in, bring your W-2s, any type of federal documents that would be required to file your tax return. One of our tax agents will assist you here at our office, and then you will have a completed return when you leave.
If you'd like to have the Vandalia tax staff fill out your tax forms, you'll just need to bring a few things with you.
The only thing we ask is to follow the CDC guidelines by wearing a mask, and please try to stand 6 feet apart when you're in the lobby waiting on your turn to have your taxes prepared.
One way you can help staff process your return is by making sure your account number is included with that final return.
Having your account number is extremely important. However, if you do not have your account number for some reason, when you do either email or come into our office to have your return completed, we can look up your account number. It is just a little easier and to make sure that we have the proper account. The account number is located on the tax letter that was mailed out at the end of January. And it is at the top right of that letter. You will see it'll be a -R. That is your account number. We do ask as not just having that account number available when we do complete your tax return, but we would also ask that if you are remitting a payment or even submitting additional information that's maybe requested after you were here having your tax return completed, that you would drop that account number on that information, and that will help expedite the payment process or the continuation of the processing of the return.
For the past several years, Vandalia has offered taxpayers a free online tax tool to help in completing and filing tax returns. That tool is available on the city website.
You will see the online filing tax tool option that you can click on, and you can fill out the form basically online and complete your return that way. You will be able to print off the return at the end of the filing process, and not only will you have a completed return at the end, but it will also electronically file your return immediately with our office. So if there is any payment due that you would either be able to pay online, we have that option, or if you would like to remit by check, you may still do so.
Even though the forms are pretty simple to fill out, Leiter says questions can arise, which is why the tax staff is available to help.
If you are completing the return online and it's within the office hours, please call and just ask. We have staff that you're able to speak to a person. If it's outside of the business hours, you can email us. We will get back with you as quickly as possible the next business day. That way we can maybe head off some issues and answer some questions that you would have to just reassure that you know that your return is being completed accurately.
So the big takeaway from today's episode is that as you sit down to do your city taxes, remember you've got help. You can pick up the phone and give them a call. You can go online and use the online tax tool, or if you'd like, you can stop here in person and get help filling out your city taxes. That's going to do it for this edition of Focus Vandalia. I'm Rich Hopkins. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.